My name is Jasmine and I am the Executive Assistant to the Director of Corporate and Community Services for Charter Styles Regional Council. So being an Executive Assistant is more than just taking notes and checking calendars. There's a lot of planning and organisation that goes with the role. I like getting things done. So yes, I do find a lot of fulfilment with working with council. To work here, I believe it takes a bit of resilience because of the nature of local government, but I also see that as an opportunity to adapt and evolve with everything that's happening. Being with council, it's an opportunity to challenge myself. This year, I am aiming to be more accountable. Being accountable means taking ownership and being responsible for your job, your outputs, but also being an effective communicator with the broader team, what we're all trying to achieve together. Being a mother, I like to be responsible and organised, and I guess that's why accountability resonates a lot with me, because I have that responsibility for my child. At the moment, he's very into rugby. I am there 100% of the way, trying not to be too vocal so it doesn't embarrass him. With council, we're also like a team unit. Everyone contributes to the big picture in some way or another.